Hello, my name is Nizamuddin Amrali and welcome to the video. Today's video is going to be about how to delete a video from your YouTube channel. So here we are on the page where my channel is. This is a small channel that I did a few videos on, but I want to delete one or all of the videos. I want to delete these three, and the reason why I'll show you. But if you go up to YouTube Studio on the right, click on YouTube Studio, and this is part of my channel dashboard. Go to the far left where it says videos, right underneath your channel icon or my picture. Click on videos, and this is the page for all your channel videos for that channel. So what you want to do, you want to find, see these three dots here. If you click on them here, one click, you'll have an option to delete forever. So make sure you're deleting something that you want to, because you're not going to be able to get it back. But so let's go ahead and try this. These three actually I have copyright claims, so I'm going to go ahead and delete them from my channel because I don't want them to count against me in when I'm applying the YouTube partner program so I can get the channel monetized. But I'm not even sure I'm going to get this channel monetized, but another one. But let's get back to deleting the videos. So these top three here I want to delete. So I'm going to take this one in the middle, check off this item here. Actually, you can do it a couple of ways. If you click on the dots and you click on delete forever, it's going to ask you to confirm permanent delete this video. So yes, we want to permanently delete this video. It's only like 42 seconds long, but you click on the box that says I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. So you click on that and you click delete forever, and just wait a second and it's gone. And you can also do these two as well. You can do those in bulk if you wanted to try. If you click on this square at the far left side, these two boxes, if you check, and this actually appeared add to playlist, but you don't know how to do that. Click on more actions and it says delete forever. So it's going to ask you to delete those two. So it says delete forever. Two videos are about to be deleted. I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. So you check that box and there they go. Should be a couple seconds. And they're gone. And that's it. That's all to this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.